Setting your site up on Google Search Console is important for a number of reasons. It's going to help measure your site's traffic and performance, but it's also going to identify issues and send you an email to let you know if there's something you need fixed. For example, maybe it identifies that your font is too small or there's a mobility issue. The other thing it does is it helps your site ranking in Google. You can even submit URLs after you publish them to make sure that Google is always showing the freshest view of your site in search. So it can be really helpful in a number of ways. To connect it, you just come into the back end of your site, you go to Settings, Connected Accounts, Connect an Account, and you're going to select Search Console. Now, once you've signed in with your chosen email address, it's just going to ask you for permission, so select Allow, and your site is now connected. As you can see, it might take up to 72 hours to index your data, but it's just a little step, but it can make a big difference. Now, this is what Google Search Console will look like once it's all set up and you've got traffic coming towards your site. As you can see, you can go through, you can view your performance, you can do a URL inspection. So if I come here and I just paste this one in and I hit enter, it's going to retrieve that data from Google, and you can just check to make sure that it's been submitted and indexed. So if you have just submitted a new blog post, for example, you can go through this process, and if this doesn't show up right away, you can request indexing, which could just speed up the process for you a little bit. So it's a really great addition to your site, and I highly recommend that you set it up and connect it to your Squarespace account.
Hey, if you like this video, there's a good chance you'll also like this one.